Okay, hello YouTube, it's Steve again. I didn't get to talk much in my first video, but I have um, noticed, basically, as you can see, yeah, I like getting on the server um, because like they don't have like any anti-cheat or anything. If you buy a certain amount, then it'll like send you back to the lobby or something. Like I'll demonstrate. There's Hunger Games. Okay, so here's Hunger Games. Like, okay, so now just wait. Okay, so I can go flying for a while. Um, I'll probably be doing a how to install Notice video at some point, but come on, ban me. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, I was flying for a certain amount of time. So now it just sends me back to the lobby. It actually does not ban me, which is kind of cool, kind of sad. Okay, here's all this. Okay, random people. So yeah, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I get on Place Raw games a lot. Um, yeah, that's, I'll probably put the IP in the bottom. Join Seven Sky is here. I know he's not, just to make sure. Yep, no, it's Sky, it's not here. You know, I still like this arena. Because like, you can like just, yeah, so like even in the actual Hunger Games, you can fly, which is kind of sad. Yeah, so I'll be doing like Hunger Games, and I'll probably be doing a Survival series at some point. Like I'll remove Notice from here, so like y'all don't have to. So I can prove to you guys I don't cheat. Yeah, it won't be like an Ant Venom, going to the Ender Dragon thing, because those are just hard because you have to find a stronghold and everything. That'll take a while, and yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Okay, guys, that's kind of weird. Rain has already started. I know it's technically impossible to get up here, so I always just myself. Okay, just sorry about that, guys. I just showed you how to get to the bathroom there. I need wheat. I don't need wheat. I don't need them. Take the cake. So basically, this is Happy Hunger Games. If you guys mod, if you're doing anything like that, I'll put the description in the link below, or the link in the, or whatever you call it. But basically, you will be able to get on here, and yeah, you can like fly around, just like not for too long, and it's supposed to have them anti-fly and stuff, but it doesn't. Okay, just warning you. So yeah, ooh, I'm hungry. 5 is broken, good to know. I don't really care though. Okay, so there's a person. I see how this is. I'm probably just gonna like, I'm probably gonna jump him. You know? Yeah, I'm gonna jump him. Okay, boom. How did he even get a potion? How did he get a potion of poison? Okay, what? Okay, so apparently he probably hacked too. Because I know it's technically impossible to get a poison potion inside of Hunger Games. Especially poison 2. That can kill you. So yeah. What should I join? Yeah, I might do this one, and then I'll get on Place Raw Games. Well, this is kind of a big arena, so I might just show like half of this one. Okay, yeah, I know where Pirate Ship is on this one. Like, this is on, see, like, you should go kind of in that general direction, and you reach your Pirate Ship. Boom. Whoa, that's actually kind of a lot of stuff. I'm not hacking. I'm just moderately using Minecraft to its fullest. Yeah, you can kind of see it right now in fact. Like, see what those chests are? Well, all those are double chests. So yeah. Hope you're not gonna follow me, and even if they did, a huge head start on them. So yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Don't need that. Don't need that. Boom, boom. Okay, good. So those two are teaming. As I kill two at once. Trying to hunt them down. And of course I have fly. So I can just like hunt them down anytime. Okay, so that's weird. Okay. Chicken. Cake. Oh. I'm close. Okay. There. Now are we very close? Okay, good. So yeah guys, this is what I have pretty much. There. I need to put on this. It's actually pretty good considering that I have. But don't tell anyone that because yeah, just don't. Yeah. Yeah, so it's like one time like I saw these switches like right here and I like tried, like I found that switch and I have no idea what it does except I heard of that piston. I think probably there's something like over there. Oh well. Okay. Or that's was my watch. I wear a watch but I still hate. Okay. Ooh, chests. Sticks. I don't care if it's not. You know, one time my friend and me had a we had nothing good in Hunger Games, even though we were playing. And so, like, all I had was okay. So don't hate on this. But all we had was some sticks, and so basically we beat this person to death with sticks. And afterwards we just laughed like a maniac because we thought it was kind of funny considering that we killed a person with sticks. We made up all these jokes. I could probably like just fly across the ocean with this. I don't want to. I mean, I could. Oh gosh, I almost just fell right there. That might have been bad. Where is someone who just has accessible? Yeah, oh, I remember this tree. Gotten it before. I was hoping for like an iron ingot. Die vine. Arrows. You could always use those. And so in Place Raw games, I will not hack on it unless it's factions. Like, and I'll sometimes X-ray. But I usually don't like use. Well, I don't use force field or anything else like that because honestly, like I have a rank in that, and I paid $65 for it. And if like something happens, then I would have to pay like another $5 to get it back. Or arrows, which I don't really need. Okay, so there's a pirate